Okay, let's get started writing some code. So in order to get started, we need to download a text editor such as VS Code. You're going to need that. You're going to need to download Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari, or Microsoft Edge web browsers. Try to get all four if you can, but if you're on Windows, you probably cannot get Safari. Then here's what I want you to do, and I'm going to demonstrate this in just a moment. I want you to open your text editor and create a new .html file. And then if you want to dive in from here and really get into all sorts of coding stuff, I highly suggest learning HTML first. It's easy, should only take you about 3 days to really understand how HTML works, and then you can play with CSS to make your website look beautiful. I've also got courses on both of these subjects. Do a search for Caleb Tallien and you'll see them in my profile. So I'm going to open up my VS Code. And let's just make this a wee bit bigger here. So if you open up VS Code and you don't have this, you'll probably see something along these lines. It might look a little different colors because I have a specialized theme in here. But you can always go to File, New File. That's just out of my recording area, but it's right at the very top there. And it's going to create just an untitled document. I'm going to zoom in. Now I'm just going to go to File and Save. And I'm going to save this to my desktop. I'm going to call this Hello World.html. Now in here, all you have to do is type something like this. h1 hello world /h1. Now this is HTML, and this is HTML, and this is just called plain text. So let's go ahead and save that file again. And let's go back to Firefox, because that's the browser I was using. And let's go to, let's open a new tab. I might not need to open a new tab here. If we go to File, and then we can open a file. And if I go to my desktop, we can see there's hello world.html. Let's go ahead and open that. And it says hello world in big letters. Now, comparatively, that's going to be hard to tell that they're big letters. So let's create a paragraph. Paragraph in here, /p. Again, I just saved that. And if I refresh this page, paragraph in here, and hello world is in big text. And I'll zoom in again, and you can see the difference here. If you do that, you've effectively created your first web page. So go ahead and give that a shot. Remember, you need that .html file extension. It can be called really anything. It didn't have to be hello_world. It could be anything you want. Just write something like this. You can even just literally copy exactly what I have written here, save it into a .html file, open up your browser, and then go to File, Open, and it will show your website for you.